Hi guys, how are you? Now we are on next chapter, that is probability. Now you are already aware about the topic. Now what we have already studied about this topic, you have already gone through probability, and what basically it was the concept of a mere of an uncertainty of various phenomena. This we have already done it. Now what important concepts you have gone through? You have gone through the statistical approach of the probability. Now in the statistical approach, what we have done? Just collection of data and observations. Okay. Then we have gone through the classical theory of probability or classical approach. In this, what it was? Basically it was the assumption of equally likely outcomes. Okay. So this you have already done it, all these things. Now we are in this class, we are on the axiomatic approach to probability. Now in this topic, what we are going to cover? We are going to cover random experiments. For this class, we should be aware about some basic concepts, about some terms which we are going to use. So we are going to use with random experiments, definition of some basic terms. In the basic terms, we are going to cover what basically events are, occurrence of events are, types of events are, different types of events. Okay. Then axiomatic approach to probability. In this topic, what we are going to cover? Algebra of events. In the algebra of events, we are going to use two major terms. One is and then or. A and D and or. Okay. Then diagrammatic representations. In the diagrammatic representations, we will be doing some space diagrams, then about the tree diagrams, then about the Venn diagrams. Now after that, we will be doing some basic things. Again, understanding the language of probability. Then historical backgrounds about the probability. Then measurements of the probability, and in the measurements also, this is also a very nice topic and a vast topic. Then we are having combining probabilities. In the combining probabilities, we are having addition rule, multiplication rule, and conditional probability. So conditional probability will be a very major topic in this new chapter. Okay. So for all these things, first of all, let's start with the random experiment.